Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on deleting a lock screen wallpaper on iOS 16. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. The first thing to do is unlock your phone screen with Face or Touch ID, but do not exit out of the lock screen. Now hold down on the lock screen until you get to the lock screen customization screen. You can swipe through your lock screen wallpapers here. To delete a wallpaper, swipe up on it, then tap the delete icon. Tap delete this wallpaper on the pop-up. That wallpaper will be deleted. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more iOS tips and tricks.